But if you like to meet Pastor Yiga, one-on-one, on Tuesday this week, come very early and have your name registered. With your seat of 100,000 or 200,000, it helps us to run the ministry of the Lord. Come Tuesday this week. You meet me one-on-one while you're not on TV. I speak to you muchama on Tuesday this week. Or if you fail on Tuesday, come on Thursday this week. Or you can still come on Saturday this week. I'm always available those days. I meet people in person. You doesn't know Kawala? You come to Kampala town? You come to Kampala city and ask for Namirembe Road taxi park. Then you ask for Kawala taxis at Pastor Yiga Augustine's church. They'll put you next to the church.